Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to search filter on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Swipe your display left to right side. Swipe right to left side. Click on here. Look at the left side. Click on to search option. And here you can easily search your effect like so that's how you can easily search filter on Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.